Not sure what your Shruti is? Are you confused whether to sing in F, G or G sharp? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to find your Shruti in just a few minutes. Shruti is the base pitch for your singing. It is the note where your voice feels more comfortable and stable. Every singer has a different Shruti, so don't try to copy someone else's scale. As a general starting point, many female voices are comfortable around G or F sharp, and many male voices are comfortable around C. But this is not a strict rule. Your comfort is what matters most. Most beginners make one common mistake. They randomly choose a Shruti or follow another singer. Because of this, their singing feels strained and uncomfortable. Now, let's find your Shruti step by step. For this demo, I am using G as the Shruti because it is comfortable for many beginners. You can start with this and then adjust based on your voice. First, play the Shruti in G. If you are not sure how to set Shruti in Tambura app, I have explained it step by step in another video. You can check that from the link in the description. Now gently hum Sa along with it. Don't force your voice. Just keep it soft and steady. As you hum, observe your voice. Does it feel relaxed or does it feel tight or strained? If it feels comfortable, that could be your Shruti. Now let's compare. If I go slightly higher, you may feel your voice becoming tight or strained. If I go slightly lower, your voice may feel dull or less clear. The goal is simple. Find the Shruti where your voice feels easy, steady and natural. Not tight, not forced. Once you feel comfortable, do a small check. Try singing a little higher. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma. Then try singing a little lower. Sa ni da pa. If your voice can move slightly up and down without strain, that is good sign. That means your Shruti is suitable for your voice. When the Shruti is not right, your voice will feel tight and uncomfortable. But when the Shruti is correct, your voice will feel relaxed and stable. You can start with G like this and then slightly adjust higher or lower until it feels just right for you. This is the Shruti you should practice with every day. Now you know how to find your Shruti. But finding it is only the first step. In the next video, I'll show you how to check if you are actually singing in Shruti. Practice this daily before you start singing anything. If you don't know how to use the Tambura app, watch the tutorial next.